at those skies. Wow. I'm not sure I can describe it. It's just, it is beautiful. And beams of sunshine shining through the clouds. Probably going to get even more amazing. If we were to wait here for an hour or something, we'd probably be quite fortunate in that world. We'd get a bit more of the sunset. See's a lovely colour. It's kind of got that grey blue colour to it, where it's the sun's behind the clouds and it kind of reflects the sky above it. That's why you get that kind of real kind of aquamarine blue some days, and then it's like a greyer, moodier other times, and then just at this moment in time we've got the sunlight sort of glinting off the tops of the water,